This is how you install O'Brien's Little Demon battery energizer. This energizer runs on a 6-volt dry cell battery. In the box there is instructions. Please read the instruction manual before installation. Very simple to operate. To install the battery, unclick, slide down, place your battery in the holder, back on the unit like that, lock it into place. Okay, we're just hooking it on the fence now, just in between two treadings to support its weight. Okay, like all electric fence energizers, we must have an earth for it to work. Put our earth stake in the ground, connect our earth clip up, turn it on, that's finished.